What's going on, guys? It's your boy TRILLGANG back with another video, man. So as y'all can see, I got my uniform on. You know, for a lot of y'all that don't know, I go to school for collision repair at Universal Technical Institute. And yeah, man, so I'm gonna go ahead, give y'all a slight glimpse of school and this, that, and the third. You know what I'm saying? I actually been out a couple months because I was going through some stuff personally, man. So obviously I can't bring my camera inside the school, so I'ma just use my phone and give y'all some good footage on that, man. So if you're new to the channel, man, consider liking this video, comment below, clicking that subscribe button, and also click them post notifications so you can be notified anytime I drop a video on my channel, man. So let's get on with the footage, man. I'll holler at y'all. Deuces. look at my boy Victor, man. I see you. Look at you, got your little taping skills going on.
Look at this one.
And this fool over here don't want to do shit. Look at this guy, man. This man lazy, man. You see? Gang.
Hey, sing this, bro.
Huh?
Sing this, you're beautiful.
Nah, put some tape. Also, like, put some tape right there to cover that shit up and shit. We good for the booth. Yeah, run that bit. Nah, that should be it. Yeah, that's good, bro. Yeah, we good. Shit, time to put this bad boy in the booth.
You know what color we're gonna use?
Huh?
You know what color we want to use?
Shit, I don't know. Shit. I did like midnight green and I did purple. I really want to do that. Do it like a bright ass red.
Yeah.
Like Corvette red.
Oh, that'd be nice.
So shit, we could go ahead and do that, man. Put this bitch in the booth. I'm ready. Got her taped up. Getting her ready for primer. Don't have it too close or you're gonna get runs.
What's the bullshit, bro?
Huh?
What's the bullshit?
You said it's frustrating? You got it? Nah, you good, you good. Alright, we good. Go ahead. What's up?
So we good. Hey, down the middle. All right. Okay, we good.
Hey guys, man, I forgot to close out the video, man, when school got out, man. But I hope y'all enjoyed this, man. Like I said, y'all seen it, man. I'm going to school for collision repair, man. Still dealing with the cars, man. I have a passion for cars and everything, man. I mainly want to be a painter, man, so this is really like in my genre of things. I'm still going to be a body man, you know what I'm saying, and all that, but painting is definitely where I want to be, you know what I'm saying. So I'm taking the initiative to finally do something that I really want to do instead of like me being in the chemical plants all the time trying to follow my footsteps of my father. So I just wanted to do something that I want to do that make me happy, you know what I'm saying? So, and I encourage everyone to do the same, man. Don't be trying to be stuck at a job for 20, 30 years just because the pay is good, but you're going to be miserable. Man, go to school, take up a trade, do something that's going to make you happy. And I'm telling you, the money is going to come later on. But the most important thing is being happy at doing what you love doing. And that's what I'm doing with collision repair, because I love dealing with cars, man. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Like this video, comment below, click the subscribe button, and make sure you click those post notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop a video on my channel, man. Y'all already know what it is. It's your boy Trill Young Wavy, and I'm out. Deuces.